quite as good as I was. Well, this tells me that we're going to have to change our wardrobe up a little bit. I think we're going to have to get some water shoes.
And some umbrellas. Maybe some ski wear too.
I'll say, hold on. So, I decided to work on my jet skiing, Dad, and we went to the river. So, well, maybe the river came to us.
I think the river came to us.
The river came to us. Oh, Jesus, look at the bug. Look at the bug. It like completely went under the hood. Or over the hood.
Oh, this is a fun-filled new experience for us.
I feel like I'm back in like, look at that. Damn, dude. Oh, this is a bumper. Oh, look at the Honda.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, someone else did what I did. Pulled right up in there and dropped the kids off. Ow. Clipped my toe.
I did? I'm sorry. I mean, I knew it had better weather up here, but I didn't realize how much. I feel sorry for all the kids that have to ride their bikes and walk to school this morning.
Oh, Kia trying to go through. Kia's new boat model. Oh, come on. Let's have some fun with the Volkswagen again. Oh, she's not going to do it.
She's going to get caught in the bigger splash up here.
Probably. He, she, it.
Them. Whatever.
Oh, you let them out right there and they walk right up in there. And I can smell the heat of the engine heating up the ground. Trying to evaporate some of the... Come on. What's the Volkswagen going to do? Ew, oil. It's a new German sub. I can see why they tell us not to, not to go to work today, because look how ineffective it would be. How slow we'd have to drive anywhere, do anything.
It's dangerous. It really is dangerous.
Well, if they provided us with pickup trucks, it wouldn't be so bad. Alright, are we ready to go back? Have our day together?